5 panels keep you in control while the agents do the work. Arbs and value are where you can step in manually. Portfolio is where you confirm fills. Risk and edgelog keep the system honest. Arbs panel. Live crossbook and cross-exchange arbs as they appear. The number on each row is the net edge after fees, slippage, and risk haircuts. What you see is what fires. Each row tells you the pair name, the sport, the market type, both legs, and which strategy agent surfaced it. Sizes column suggests a balanced split, so both legs target the same payout. Agent filter at the top. Pick which strategy agents feed rows here. Multi-select. If an ARB matches several selected agents, the first one in your selection wins for attribution and stake sizing. All and none buttons on the right for quick toggling. Selection is persisted to local storage, so it survives a refresh. If the edge goes negative net after fees and slippage, the row gets a red losing badge. So a 1% gross with 1.5% in fees shows up as losing, not as opportunity. Manual play. Click the play button on any row and Claw Arbs opens both venue pages in new tabs, deep linked to the event. Built-in venues go straight to the right market. Custom venues go to the calibrated league page. After you place the bets manually, the row swaps play for confirm and cancel. Click confirm to record the bet to your portfolio with your actual fill prices. Cancel reverts to play if you decided not to bet. And the confirm cancel state survives a refresh for 30 minutes through session storage. So if you walk away mid-bet, you do not lose the row. Value panel. Single leg value bets, divigged against your sharps. Same shape as arbs, except each row is a directional bet on the soft side, not a hedged pair. Hover the true odds column on any row to see the divig tooltip. It shows every reference venue used, how many were aggregated, and which mode. Average, conservative, or median, plus whether vig was stripped, no vig, or raw. Status column shows the no vig or raw badge plus a fire history badge. If your auto sniper has already fired twice on this match and outcome, you see that count. So you do not double up by hand on a row your agent already worked. Same play, confirm, cancel flow as arbs. One click opens the target venue page. You place the bet manually. Click confirm to record it. Done. Single venue, since value bets are one-sided by definition. Portfolio panel. Paper or real toggle at the top. Same shape, different bankroll. Headline cards show balance, total profit and loss, unrealized profit and loss, open trades versus total, and your win rate. Each row in the table shows the legs, the status, and the running profit and loss. Filter tabs split the list 4 ways: all, open, closed, and failed. Failed isolates trades that were halted by post-fill checks or leg risk. Settle button on every open row. The drop-down is market type aware. Football 1x2 shows home, away, draw, void. Over-under shows over, under, void. BTTS shows yes, no, void. Handicap shows push when the line lands exactly. Asian quarter lines support half win and half loss settlement. Draw no bet voids on a draw. Binary contracts show yes, no, void. The right options for the right market, so you do not have to translate. Picked the wrong outcome? On already settled trades, the button label changes from settle to change. Click it, pick the correct outcome, and the previous profit and loss gets rolled back before the new outcome applies. No manual reversal. Edit button on every row. If your real fill differed from the suggested numbers, click Edit, adjust the leg fields, and save. The trade is updated. Settled trades recompute realized profit and loss automatically. Magnifying glass icon next to Edit. That opens the inline post-mortem on any trade. We covered post-mortem in detail in the previous video, so I will keep it brief here. Click Expand, read the root cause. Risk panel. Risk, compact and important. The numbers up top are the dashboard for the entire system. Total exposure across all venues, daily profit and loss, trades today, and naked exposure when a leg fills without a hedge. Kill switch, top right of the panel. One click halts every agent across the system. No new trades fire until you flip it back. Resets to off on every restart, by design, so a halt does not lock you out forever. Exposure bar below shows total dollars at risk versus your maximum. Green under 50%, yellow over 50, red over 80. The label flips from OK to WRN to HIGH, so you see at a glance whether you are running hot. Hedged versus naked split lives just under the bar. Hedged is paired exposure, both legs filled. Naked is one-sided exposure waiting on the other leg, the dangerous kind. If the naked number is large or persistent, that is your investigation. Edge log. Every edge attempt the engine considered, fire or halt, with the reason column showing exactly why each one ended where it did. Default panel size is wider now, so the reason column is not clipped. Columns: time, pair, venues, edge percent, mode, result, and reason. Result is the headline. Executed in green, halted in red, cooldown in amber. Reason is the one-line summary of which gate fired. Filters at the top. Agent drop-down to slice by strategy. Executed only toggle to hide halts and look at fires only. View only hidden toggle to suppress arbs halted because PS 3838 or BI is in view only mode. Useful when you only want signal. Click any row to expand it. You get the full pipeline trace. Each gate of the 17-step pipeline, pass, halt, or skip with a one-line detail, plus venue links and a price comparison table for the fire moment. Halted rows tell you which gate killed the edge. Min edge, freshness, depth, naked halt, cooldown. Cross-reference with your ARB funnel in analytics for the macro picture. The funnel summarizes. The edge log is the row-by-row truth. When you are tuning a strategy, the edge log is where you find the specific edges you missed and decide whether your filter was right or too strict. Close the panel. 5 panels for daily ops. ARBs and value when you want to step in. Portfolio for paper trail and corrections. Risk for the safety break. Edge log for the post-game tape. Press Alt plus the number, do your work, press it again to close. Next up, global settings. Everything you can tune at the system level.